welcome back to my channel. Guess who I have today? I have a special guest, a new member to the family. Her name is Coco. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. She's only 9 weeks old. Look how tiny she is. Anyways, so Supreme week. What was it last week? Forgot. It's just been trash, man. I just haven't really been very interested in it. Look, I'm looking up crazy. So but last week they had the NorthFace and Supreme NorthFace collab, and I did get 2 things for myself just because I needed a new something and I liked one of the other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package. I'm gonna put you down, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. Logos, 2-box logos. Like, what's good with you, Supreme? Like, I need some good stickers. Yeah, slacking. But my first item is the headband in black. Okay. Or not too small. I love these because they keep your ears nice and warm and your head. Oh, this is cute. I should have got the blue one also, but you know, I could only get one, so I should have told somebody else to get me the blue one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so the second thing I got is a jacket. Well, a coat. And it's this sweater. So I wanted the black one, but then I was like, I always get black. Example 1. So I went and I panicked and I got a blue, which is nice. I love the blue, but then I was like, damn, I should have got this in blue, so when I wear this I can wear the blue one. But like I said, black matches everything, so I can wear this all the time with any of my jackets. So yeah, so I got this for myself, obviously, because honestly, I mean, they do have some nice things sometimes, but it's like, it's not worth it, especially if you're reselling. Like, a lot of this stuff is just, it hasn't been it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so I can try it on. So this is the small, and this is how it looks. I am in love with it. Like, look at it. I love the color. It fits perfect, and I'm able to put a hoodie under it just in case when it gets really cold outside. The inside is the same material as the outside, which is pretty warm. This is a different material, but it is very warm. I can already feel it. But I'm glad the small fits perfect. Like, it's not too big and it's not too tight, and I can still zipper it. Wow. And I'm glad I got the black because I forgot this is black, so it looks good. Like, it's not overwhelming. Wow, oh my god. And then it has the 2 zip pockets right here, and then it has 2 velcro ones up here. Honestly, I love it. I'm so glad I got this for myself. I'm glad I got both, actually. Like, this is definitely going to be a fit. Like, oh my god, I can't wait for it. Well, it's been cold, so I can definitely wear this now, actually. Like, today it was freezing, and I only had this hoodie on and I was cold. But honestly, I'm very happy with my purchases, especially because it's personal. Like, when it's personal, I feel like you should get whatever you like, you know. For reselling, it's just been shit. Like, it's been very bad. I mean, honestly, like, I haven't even looked at what's coming this week. I think it's supposed to be another collab. I'm not 100% sure. I just my mood for Supreme just been like, I literally go on Thursday when it opens and just look, and if I like something, I try to get it, and if I don't get it, I don't get it. If I do, I do. It's like, you know. But I'm excited I got this, which I wasn't planning to either. So, but yeah, that's all for this video. Let me know what you were able to cop last week, if you got any of the NorthFace stuff or anything, you know, that dropped last week. They had a lot of nice hat. Oh, they had one hat that I really liked, which I don't wear hats, but it was nice. And their hoodie that they also dropped was nice, especially that lime green one. I'll put a picture right here. That was nice. But I'm gonna look to see what's coming this week, and I'll probably do another video giving you guys my opinion on, you know, what I like and what I don't, and if I will cop or not. If you guys want to see videos like that, comment down. Look, can't even talk. If you guys want to see videos like that, comment down below and let me know. But like I said, let me know what you guys purchased this week, well, last week, and I'll see you all in my next video.